This is a really beautiful book. I don't know how to say the title, something maybe like Moekad Muhu Siilikud. It's a very specialized book about Estonian folk skirts and the weaving of them. As you can see, incredible photography, detailed patterns, woven patterns, details of the embroidery, and just all these very colorful skirts that are part of their costumes, and some of the details even of the inside and the construction. A very specialized and beautiful, beautiful book with different kinds of details about each of the projects, and some lace that's applied to that one as a border. And up here at the front we've got some of those fancy pleats and some of the details of the insides of the garments and the construction, and a little bit of weaving at the loom. And even though probably most of us can't read a word of it, it still has tremendous value, as you can see. Just a beautiful book. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, it's a rare book. Grab it while we still have them.